trunk, I open up, I sold my soul a good price. Out of sight, my hoe got talent.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jermaine back again with another video. This one is going to be another mystery box. And obviously you can tell who this is from. Take a guess. But I know I did two other mystery boxes. One actually got a dash cam, which wasn't too bad. But this one I wanted to get around that same time, but they were sold out. So now I got one, and it's going to be a tech mystery box thingy, whatever. So let's see what we get inside. And I got my handy dandy knife, sharp one, and let's see. And like before, I'm just gonna open it, and it's really hard to do this from behind the camera. Let's see. So I'm going to leave it like this. So I can't see what is inside. So it blocks my view. And I'm just going to dig my hand in and pull out and see what we get. So first item is... Okay, let's try this. It's like a baggie. Don't know what this is. Let's see. It's like a pouch for I don't know what. It's like a gel materialish kind of thing, and a lanyard. Like, I don't know if you can even stick a phone in here. I think more like a credit card size. But yeah, okay. Yeah, put that to the side. Let's see if it feels heavy. Let's try this, see what this is. And white box. More for you. Oh shit. Sorry. You can see there. Quick charge. External battery for our iPhone and iPod. I don't have an iPhone. I do have an iPod. Okay, I'm opening the wrong side. But let's see. Oh, it's by Mophie, and I know they're a good company too. You know what this looks like? It looks like that one. Sorry about the airplanes. Yeah. It looks like that one hard drive. It looks like that one external hard drive that has like that case around it. Oh, this is pretty cool. You know, you can't go bad with a battery pack. How many milliamps is it? Does it say on there? If you just like Power Station Pro. It doesn't say how many milliamps it is though. That's weird. Weird, but you know, you got the flaps right here, and that's to charge the battery pack. And this is where you plug the USB in. Button on the side, probably obviously to tell you how much battery you have. And it's funny, it says it's for an iPhone and iPod, and it gives you a micro USB cable. That's funny. Wow, that's a win. Okay. Okay, what else? What is this? This is, oh shit, headphones. There you go. Oh, these are some Soul headphones. I remember I are these. Do not discard. Why do I want to discard this? Do not discard serious side for product information. Okay. I think so. Aren't they 50 cents company? if I remember right. Solar Publix. Okay, okay. Yo, this is a bomb mystery box so far. Some of these you just slide them in here, like the little slots. If I get it in right. And you slide this one in here. I probably put them all the wrong way. Did I? No, I did it. And then you would get the cable. And you basically plug them in each side. Yo, this is okay. Okay. 2 out of 3 so far. Not bad. Not bad. Let's see. Okay, from what I can tell, there's actually one more item in here. And that is Verizon. Verizon? Alright. Verizon, what do you got for me, Verizon? This is a quick serve place charger on a dry server flat surface. Is this a wireless charger pad? Wow, that's a big brick. Yep. Wireless charging pad / charging stand. Take a look at this. I don't have Verizon. I have T-Mobile, but you know, charger. Huh. Groupon probably had extra of these lying around. I was like, hey, let's throw it in there. No one's really buying this. So let's see, is that it? Yep, that's it. So this looks actually pretty good. I got a wireless charging stand. I got a multi battery bank, which it still doesn't tell me how much milliamps is in this thing, which I find it really odd. And I got some Solar Public headphones. So 3 out of the 4. I like it. I think I came out on top. Yeah. Well, if you guys like the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Actually, I might buy another Groupon mystery box just to see what I got. I could be pushing my luck, but again, like always, thanks for rocking with me, and basically, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Money, yeah, I'm looking at the bank, say, miss, I do not want you.